friends, now we are going to describe a program in which we are going to print a pattern in this manner, that is 1 star in the first line, 2 star in the second line, 3 stars in the third line and so on. So, this is quite similar to the other pattern printing programs in which we printed some numbers starting from 1 to 9 and something like that. So, now we are going to print this star pattern. What to do in case of this, we don't need to just print the 1, 2, 3, 4 or I values or j values as in the previous cases. We need to just print an alphanumeric character from the keyboard, that is the asterisk sign, and we are going to print it as many times as the user wants and in the manner as the user wants to see the pattern on the output. So, let us get started with writing the program. Hash include stdio.h int main. Now we come to the number of variable declaration. N will be number of rows, I and j are the loop variables. Printf number of rows, enter number of rows, new line, scanf %d %n. Now we write for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. After that we come to the inner loop section. For j is equal to 1, j will be controlled by I, j plus plus, and we are going to print the star or the asterisk. Printf star and then a tab, and then we conclude this line, and then we come to the next line in the outer loop. Printf new line to take care of the new line, and then the closing brace of the outer for loop followed by return 0 and then the end of the main section. So, this is the program. You can just see that the program is quite similar to the previous two programs, but here one difference is there. The one difference is only over here. One program printed the I value, another program printed the j value. So, we printed some variables over that. Now, we are going to print some constant, character constant, that is the star. So, we are going to print this character constant star as many times as we want and in the way as is expected in this output. So, let us just see by keeping some easy sample values like this to test the program. Let us suppose n is equal to 2, so this portion is going to be printed. So, this is the desired output. Let us see what is this. I is equal to 1, less than equal to 2, correct. J is equal to 1, less than equal to 1, correct. And then we print this star. So, this star is printed over here. Then j is equal to 2, not equal to 1. Control comes out of the j loop. We print the new line. The cursor comes to the new line. I becomes I plus plus. I becomes 2, less than equal to 2. Then we come to j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I, yes, definitely less than equal to I. We print star once again over here, and then j is incremented to 2, less than equal to 2, correct. We again print 1 star after having a tab in between them, and then j becomes is equal to 3, which is not less than 2. The condition is not satisfied. The control passes out of the inner loop to go to the next line. Printf new line. The new line comes like this. The cursor goes to the new line, and then I is incremented. I becomes 3, which is not less than equal to 2. Condition is not satisfied. We come to the we come out of the outer loop and then go to the return 0, and that is the end of the program. So, the desired output was like this: 1 star in the first line, 2 stars in the second line. So, we have got our desired output. So, the program is now ready to be run in the computer system. So, if there is any doubts or queries pertaining to this program, you can just post your queries or comments in the comment section below so that I can address them. Thanks.